Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about is Hostinger good for hosting needs or not. So let's get started on this. Basically, Hostinger, the group of the Hostinger is working from 2005, but they later got recognition back in 2013 to 14, and ever since then they have been in industry's famous hosting company, and they have been advertising. You must have seen their ads before, watching this video. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss on is Hostinger good for hosting or not. Okay, let's look out on their reviews first. You can see on Trustpilot, they got 4.6 rating out of 5 with 14,459 reviews. On Google, 4.8 out of 5. On Host Advice, 4.5 out of 5. And on WP Beginner, it's 4.7 out of 5. It's a very, very good rating. Very few companies or even hosting companies were able to achieve such good remarks. Now let's move on and let's look on some of the reviews. Okay, 4.6 reviews. Okay, so I just opened the website in front of you. I'm just looking on the recent reviews. Okay, best onboarding by Hostinger with migrating my sites. I need assistance migrating my website, and the Hostinger customer support helped me from A to Z with my migration via chat. Also, for those who don't know, that Hostinger also offers free website migration in case if you're coming from another hosting company, and just see the awesome review. Now we can see that the support is also very wonderful and supportive. Another review just an hour ago from US, great value, told everyone about. The service and hosting platform website was up in 5 minutes, would be even faster, but I had a call coming in, so I couldn't copy and paste my code in time. I have 2 other websites I'm bringing over soon, so I had an issue from either host with my emails. They helped me take care of it in less than 5 minutes. Great company, highly recommended. So you can see that the reviews are very good. Now let's discuss on more points on should we opt for it or not. Okay, they have data centers all around the world, or web hosting you can host in USA, UK, France, India, Singapore, Brazil, and other European locations including Netherlands and Lithuania. They also have an all-in-one website solution, their website builder. I've been also using Hostinger for around 2 years, and I have personally witnessed that they emphasize a lot on providing fast speed for your website, and they have a light speed website server technology which ensures that your website loaded as soon as possible. So another reason to opt for Hostinger is this. They also have a dedicated support 24/7. Now let's move on the plans. Okay, but before I start, I want you to click on the link in the description, which is like this, because in case if you plan to buy hosting from Hostinger, you will be entitled to special deals in case if you click on that link. And you can see over here, the ideal is to select the hosting and move over web hosting to discuss any plans you are going to offer. They also provide malware scanner, Cloudflare protected name servers, weekly backups, and free domains with 2 of their plans, premium and business. So, and another thing good about them is that you can buy with confidence, because all of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee. So any plan you choose, select the add to cart option here, and when you're going to complete the order option, because you clicked on special link, I'm going to give you a bonus coupon as well. So select to have a coupon code over here and write this coupon code. You can find in the description of this video as well, and select the apply button. And you can see that the already discounted price got further discount. So make sure to click on the link in the description and get this coupon applied in case if you plan to buy hosting from Hostinger. But the question is Hostinger hosting worth it or not? Yeah, definitely it's worth it. And they also have a 30 days money back guarantee, so you can buy with confidence for any reason. In case of any issue, you have a protection of your money is going to be refunded to you completely in case of any trouble. So yeah, good luck buying hosting from Hostinger.